Congratulations! Congratulations! So, you finally crossed the 3,000 watch hours on YouTube and maybe a little bit confused. Probably you're wondering, okay, now that we've gotten the 3,000 watch hours, what next now?
So you mean there's still more?
Let's talk about the next step. Getting close doesn't mean you are there yet, and if you are not careful, all your hard work might go to waste. I will explain everything, and trust me, you want to stay to the end of this video so you don't miss any part. Hey people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, my name is Janet Solomon, and on this channel I bring you free ideas and information that others might probably charge you for. If you love content that helps you grow online and makes sense out of tech in general, then do me a favor, hit that subscribe button, turn on all post notifications so you don't miss out on any of my latest content. Alright, now let's get into what actually happened after you hit 3,000 watch hours on YouTube. This means that you are getting close, but you are not there yet. It's just remaining small. You know that YouTube monetization still requires that you get 4,000 public watch hours within the last 12 months. So if you're at 3,000, you are getting close, but just tiny bit. However, hitting the 3,000 marks and unlock something new for you. The first thing you will see is that YouTube will send you a notification either on your YouTube Studio app, or they will send you an email because you've crossed the first bridge. What that message means is that your channel is now gaining momentum and you are eligible to join the YouTube fan funding features like channel membership and super time. Now this depends on your location though. Once you get that notification, it's time to prepare for the monetization itself. Now the first thing you need to do is to apply for the YouTube partnership program. Why? Because without joining the partnership program, you can't earn from ads or membership or even earn from super chat. So you need to join their partnership program. It means you are partnering with them. Think of it like a job application. Before any company pays you a salary, they will interview you, check your qualifications, and maybe even check your social media presence. Same with YouTube. They need to review your channel, they need to review your content to make sure that it aligns with their terms and conditions, with their policy, before they can accept you into their partnership program and start paying you. I've actually worked with one HR manager before who actually said that before they employ anybody in their organization, they have to check their online presence, check their footprint to make sure that it aligns with them. So if you are the type that posts all sorts online, you might want to rethink it because it can cost you one day. Well, that is just your personal decision. So when you're ready to apply, here is what you will do. Go to your YouTube channel, click on your profile picture, go to the YouTube Studio, click on Earn, click on Apply Now, and we are going to be starting with step 1, which is reviewing YouTube based terms. Click on Start. Now make sure you scroll through to read everything that is on this page. Make sure you read, take your time to read and understand, because if you do not understand everything that is written here and you violate their rules, they are going to come for you by striking your channel. So make sure you read everything line by line by line and make sure you understand it. Then you scroll down and click on this box which says I accept the base terms. After that, click on accept terms. Now we are done with step 1. Now you move to step 2, which is setting up your Google AdSense account. This is where your money will be stored before it is sent to your bank account. Now think of this Google AdSense account like your salary account. YouTube will pay your earning into the AdSense account first before Google will now send it to your account. Click on Start. On this next page, if you already have an existing Google AdSense account, click on 1. If you don't have any existing account, you've not created any Google AdSense account before, click on 2. And if you have, or probably you are not sure if you don't have or if you have, click on 3. But in my case, I'm just going to click on 2 because I did not have any Google AdSense account before. Click Continue, select your Google account. I will actually recommend using the same Gmail you use to open your YouTube channel. That way things stay organized. You don't have to be looking for one email password. It will ask for your country. Click on this drop down arrow and select your country. For me, I'm from Nigeria, so I will leave it on Nigeria. The link above your billing country is your YouTube channel link because they are going to link your YouTube channel to your Google AdSense account. That's why you will see this link here. After that, go ahead and read the Google AdSense online terms of service. Take your time to read it like I said in the first part. Read everything and make sure you understand their terms and services. Now scroll down and click on I have read and accept the agreement. Click on set up account. Now it's going to redirect you to the AdSense for YouTube page. On the first line, you are going to fill in the type of account you have. But for this video, I'm going with individual because it's my personal account. Now go ahead and fill in your name here. Please do not rush this part. It's very critical. Do not rush it. Now go ahead and fill in your addresses. If you have 2 addresses, fill the address 1 and fill the address 2. On this next one, which says suburb, this is the area where you live. So go ahead and input your area. Under city, input the city where you are living. The next one is your postal code. If you don't know your postal code, search on Google for postal code for the area you are living in, and Google will give you. Copy it and paste it here. Enter your state, the state where you are living in right now. Enter your phone number. This option is optional, but I will advise that you put your phone number in case anything goes wrong and they need to contact you for verification or anything. Once you are done filling everything and you are satisfied, click on submit. Now step 3 is channel review. You have to wait for YouTube to review your channel. This can take few days or weeks. It depends on your location and how many videos you actually have on your channel. Mine did not take long at all, but yours might take a lot of time if you have a lot of videos. Now when you get approved, you will get a message that says you are now a YouTube partner. That's the green light that you are officially their partner. Now how do you access your Google AdSense dashboard? Just go to any browser and type google.com/AdSense. That will take you straight to the AdSense dashboard, where you can manage your earnings, your payment settings, everything you need to set up about payments. You set it up in your AdSense app. Now, depending on your region and subscribers count, usually once you have 500 plus, YouTube may unlock some features like super thanks, super chats, super stickers, channel membership, which is what you are just doing now. These features falls under YouTube fan funding and may become accessible even before you hit your 4,000 watch hours in some regions. Now is the time for you to audit your channel. Go through your older videos, delete or unlist any video that breaks YouTube policy. Improve your thumbnail, your title, your description, and everything. If you want to learn how to design a good thumbnail, I have a video on that. The link is up here or it's in the description. You can watch it. This is the time for you to use your YouTube Studio app like never before. Check your analytics to make sure to see the contents that are doing well and see the ones that are not doing well. Just see how you can balance everything so that you can get to your 4,000 in no time. If you want to learn how to get to your 4,000 watch hours within 2 weeks, watch this video here. This video explains everything you need to do, and trust me, you will get there within that 2 weeks. That's if you are very serious with it and you are consistent with it, you will get there. So I've also helped you to make a video of what you will do once you get to your 4,000 watch hours. So when you hit your 4,000 watch hours, come back to this channel and click on this video here, or just go to my YouTube tips playlist and you will see the video there. I will also leave the link in the description. Just watch that video, follow every step with details to see what you should do after the 4,000. Here is my advice. If you are in this part of the world, especially Nigeria, you know what we operate on is Naira accounts and not domiciliary accounts. So before you get to your 4,000 watch hours, make sure you go to the bank, to your local bank, and open a domiciliary account, because for me, it's easier for them to send you dollar to dollar account than sending dollar to Naira account. So I will advise you to make sure you go to your local bank, open a domiciliary account. So by the time you want to fill in your payment method, you will fill in the domiciliary account and not Naira account. And even if you want to put a Naira account, it will be like, okay, option 2 in case that one did not work, because the process of getting all those out from the bank in Nigeria is very difficult. So before you hit your 4,000 watch hours, make sure you settle your domiciliary account opening before then. We now have a community on Telegram where we teach ourselves how to grow our online presence and also monetize our social media platform. And aside that, we also support each other's content, what we like and comment. Just search for my name on Telegram and join the growing family. If you tell someone to join and that someone tells someone and someone tells someone, by that we are going to build a solid family community where we can encourage ourselves and grow together. That will be all for today, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment in the comment section to let me know you found this video helpful. Turn on all post notifications. Share this video with a friend, especially those who need this content. Until next time, peace and love. Bye.